The modular collet latch bore sleeveless bottom end, or MCB bottom end, designed and manufactured by QCD, is assembled in the next three segments. The signal shaft components contain modular pieces to reduce rebuild costs and optimized engineered designs proven to increase signal strength and quality in challenging operating environments. Modular castellated crown reduces maintenance costs and is held in place by O-rings and internal profile change in the sleeveless plenum. The elastomer base for the modular castellated crown increases crown and piston life by absorbing impact. Lightweight skinny signal shaft increases signal size and response and reduces component wear by reducing impact, and is also highly LCM and drilling bead tolerant. The two-piece piston cap allows for installation of Teflon polypacks so they don't stretch on installation, and less friction means better, quicker signal and more drilling bead and LCM tolerance. The greatly reduced OD in the two-piece piston cap allows for much higher tolerance to LCM and high-vis drilling muds. There is no need for tight tolerances here, as tight tolerances only serve to pack off and plug the tool. Shortened spring design with the same pounds per inch force installed to a shortened plenum so that less sands and solids settle out of the mud in no-flow conditions inside the plenum, which previously caused the piston cap to pack off as soon as the pumps are fired up. Inexpensive poppet bolt system that field hands are familiar with. Inexpensive GE style carbide poppet sleeve that are available anywhere and are inexpensive. The travel limiting poppet top that protects carbide but also eliminates the ram stop and limits travel to less than 1 inch. Shorter travel equals larger signal, less component damage, and less prone to packing off at the piston cap. One-piece helix frame that has a shortened plenum and surface hardened to 84 HRC. The advantages are, but not limited to, number 1, no more bore sleeve, so no bore sleeve cracking or leaking up the outside. Number 2, shortened to allow less accumulation of sands and solids to settle and plug during connections. Number 3, less expensive to replace than a beryllium copper plenum and bore sleeve when they are worn out. Wear cuff with elastomer collar between the cuff and collar prevents wash. Simple, inexpensive 1,200-pound latch design. Seating remains the same. Unseating does require spang jars. The half shell design to hold latch in place for easy installation and removal of used and new latches. Modular helix sleeve reduces replacement costs associated with worn helix replacement. Elastomer base for castellated modular insert increases life of piston cap and the castellated insert. Modular castellated insert greatly reduces costs associated with replacing entire helix if castles are worn. Profile rings hold this piece in place. The shortened spring in the shortened plenum provides the same return force but less volume for sands and solids to settle out and jam the piston cap after no-flow conditions. Expensive beryllium copper is kept to a minimum as a short pin-to-pin crossover is utilized here. The modular sheep's foot is a ram stop replacement travel limiter for the signal shaft. All components are built onto an 84 HRC surface hardened bore sleeveless plenum, which means no more ceramic sleeve problems.